Rated PG-13 in theaters Friday.
Stir it. Stir it up, stir it up, stir it. She's big.
Start with nothing. Build a groundbreaking car. Good. Now build a time machine. Go here. Find someone who can build a futuristic dashboard display. Put that back. Watch him build a TFT display like nothing you've